Hey there, it's Professor McDonald, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your work and save it in a way that makes it easy for you to refer back to and to share with me and your tutors when you need help. When you have your work saved and organized, it makes it easy for your tutors to identify what you don't know, and what kind of technological issues are standing in your way. The first thing I would recommend is that you save your workbook. You can see that I've saved mine as GLA 3 because I'm about to start Lesson 3 Guided Learning Assignment. I'm saving a workbook for each assignment in a folder on my computer, and notice that I have several sheets down at the bottom here. I've got sheet tabs that I can click on for each exercise in the assignment. You can add sheets by clicking on the plus sign down at the bottom. You can click and reorder the sheets. You can right click and rename with the exercise numbers. And then once you have all that done, notice that you can toggle the auto save feature on so that it'll save your work as you go. You can also set up the windows on your screen so that you can view your Excel workbook and your questions side by side. Now we're ready to start one of the questions in the guided learning assignment. Remember that exercises are set up so you can try the problem twice, then the answer will be shown on your third attempt. If you miss a problem on the exercises and want to improve your score, you can try a similar problem, which will give you a new question of the same type. You can keep on working on versions of a question until you get a perfect score on the exercises. Here's question 1, and the first thing I want to do when I get in here on a question is to come down and see what kind of question help features are available. For this one, only the message instructor option is there, and I want to show you how you can share questions with me. When you click on this, it'll set you up to send a message to me, but I recommend copying the body of this message by doing Control-All and Control-C. So that was Control-A and Control-C to copy, so that you're selecting everything in the body of the message. Then you can copy that and paste it into a message from your Palm Beach State email address and send it directly to me. That way, when I reply, you'll get the message in your Palm Beach State email rather than within the OHM messaging system. Let's look at another problem. Scroll down and notice that this one has a video attached. The videos are designed specifically for the problem, and if it's not, if it doesn't clarify the concept well enough for you, please do let me know. You can use that message instructor option again and just type in a note that you watched the video and that you need clarification. And the more detail you give me, the more I'll know what kind of lessons I can prepare to supplement these materials. Now we're going to talk a little bit about how to manage copied data. When you right-click and copy and you go into a worksheet, you can paste it right in by clicking on a cell, and then you can either use Control-V or right-click and paste, either with the formatting or without. Now notice that this one didn't copy quite right. So let's undo and try that again. Copy and paste. Now, the first time I did this and it didn't look quite right, it was probably because I had double clicked on the cell without realizing it. And when you double click on a cell like this, so I'm double clicking, you see how my cursor is there inside the cell now. And when I paste there, what it does is it pastes the information all into one cell. So just be careful that you're not double clicking before you paste your data. There will also be some vocabulary questions that don't have videos attached. And to find the answers or to understand these answers, there's two ways you can do this. You can either open up the vocabulary attachment and review the definitions, try to find keywords from the problem there. You can also open up the textbook and look for that topic. And you're bound to find examples and definitions that will help you answer those questions.